everyone, this is Alpna and welcome to my channel all about
Kids.
So friends who have not still subscribed my channel, please
Support,
and
subscribe to my channel.
hit the
Bell icon.
to get the
Notification first.
okay. And if you like my video, please
Please subscribe my channel.
okay. Thank you. So friends, today I am going to tell you the very interesting and fun activity which is called the jumbo activity. Okay, and यहाँ पर मैं आपको बताऊंगी क्रॉसवर्ड एक्टिविटी. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो ये एक्टिविटी कैसी है मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप आपको पहले बताऊंगी. इसके बाद मैं बच्चे के साथ करके दिखाऊंगी कि कैसे आपको करके लेना है. ओके, सो यहाँ पर क्या है, फॉलो द नंबर टू कंप्लीट द क्रॉसवर्ड. द पिक्चर विल गिव यू द क्लू. ओके, सो हियर इज कोकोनट, हियर इज कैट, here is pin. Okay, comb, carrot, tomato, radio, train and ant. Okay, beta, you know what it is?
Coconut.
What it is?
Cat.
What it is?
And
Pin.
pin.
This is,
Comb.
this is,
Carrot.
this is,
Tomato.
this is,
Radio.
this is,
Train.
this is.
Ant.
वेरी गुड. सो आपको क्या करना है, इसका स्पेलिंग मम्मा लिख के देगी और आपको यहाँ पर फिल करना है. ओके, मम्मा विल टेल यू हाउ टू डू. ओके, सो फर्स्ट हमें क्या करना है, उससे इस तरह से पूछना है और इसके बाद आपको स्पेलिंग लिख के देना है, क्योंकि जब बच्चा 3 इयर्स का होता है उनको स्पेलिंग इतना नहीं आता है. और धीरे धीरे जैसे जैसे वो एक्टिविटी करेंगे बहुत फन वे में, वो सारे स्पेलिंग भी लर्न करेंगे और उनको करने में बहुत इंटरेस्ट भी आएगा. सो हाउ टू डू, आपको क्या करना है, कोकोनट का स्पेलिंग लिख के देना है. ओके, कोको nut, then cat, then pin, then comb, this is carrot, this is tomato, this is train, and this is ant, this is radio. ओके, सो इस तरह से हमें उनको लिख के देना है और इसके बाद उनको ये बताना है कि 3 दैट मीन्स आपको 3 नंबर पर कोकोनट लिखना है. 1 दैट मीन्स आपको पिन लिखना है. 2 दैट मीन्स आपको कैट लिखना है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो बेटा, यू गॉट इट ना, हाउ टू डू. सी व्हाट इज रिटन हियर, 1 एंड 1 किस में लिखा हुआ है, आप देखो 1 यहाँ पर आपको चेक करना है 1 किस में लिखा हुआ है, कौन से ऑब्जेक्ट में. यस, सो 1 मीन्स व्हाट इज दिस,
One object.
yes, and what is this, what is this, pin. So you have to write spelling of pin here. What the spelling of pin,
P-I-N.
so write here in the P I,
I.
yes, here you write here I N here. Okay, now in which object written 2, yes, what is this,
2.
and what is this,
Cat.
cat. What's the spelling of cat,
C-A-T.
okay, what the spelling of cat,
C-A-T.
okay, so where you will write cat spelling, yes, so right here C, yes, A,
Sorry.
okay. Now look here, where is written 3, yes, so now here the 3 and where is written 3 is here in the two places ना, दो जगह पे 3 लिखा हुआ है. कहाँ कहाँ पर 3 लिखा है? Okay, now you find out where you will write 3. Here you will write coconut or here you will write coconut. Where you will write coconut? Where, like in this direction or in this direction?
In the left.
From up to down or left to right? How you will write?
Up to down.
Up to down. How many boxes here?
1, 2,
Yes.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 1, 2, 3, 4. But what the spelling of coconut? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can write here in the 4 box. You can write. So how many blocks you need to write coconut spelling?
7.
7. So where is 7 blocks?
1,
Count it. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So where you can write coconut spelling? From left to right. You cannot write from top to down. So write here COCONUT. What is the spelling of coconut? C
O, C, O, N, U, T.
Okay, so write here C. Write here C in a good handwriting. Okay.
E
Yes.
and
O. Look here. What's the spelling of coconut? And you write
yeah,
here C O.
O,
Then C.
E,
No. Write here C.
C,
Then O.
O,
And here written N. So write here U.
U,
Okay. And it's become coconut. Now read it. What the spelling of coconut? C
C,
O C
O,
N U T. And it's called coconut.
Coconut.
Very good. Now and और कहाँ पर 3 लिखा हुआ है? Yes. So now you have to write COMB.
B.
COMB. Comb. Now where you will write? Tell me where is written 3? Yes. So now you will write from up to down. Now C, write here O. O, write here O. C is written here. So now you write O. M, write here M. Yes. Yes. Now write here B. Very good. Okay. Now what is this? COMB. Comb. Now look. What is written here? 4.
4.
And what is this?
Carrot.
So where you will write carrot spelling? Where is written in the blocks 4?
1,
Where is written 4? Yes. So where you will write? From up to down. Okay. Top to bottom. How you will write? Top to bottom. So what the spelling of carrot? Read it loudly.
CARROT.
Okay. So write here. C is written. Now what you will write?
O.
What the spelling of carrot?
A.
A. So what you will write here? Yes, very good. Very good. Now, next what the spelling of carrot?
R.
Yes, so we write here R. Very good. Now write down. Now what the next spelling?
O.
Yes. And down is
6.
so what you will write here?
T.
T. Very good. Okay, very good. Now what it become? C-A-R-R-O-T.
Carrot.
Very good. It's called
Carrot.
carrot. Now, see, where is written 5? Find out. In which object written 5? Here, look here. 5. And in the 5, what is this? Radio.
Radio.
What is this?
Radio.
Radio. You know what we can do with the radio?
Fan.
No. With the radio, we can listen song and news. Okay? Where is written 5? Here.
Here.
So, what the spelling of radio? Read it loudly.
R-A-D-I-O.
So, where you will write radio spelling? Where is written 5? In the blocks? Yes. So, right here. R is written here. Now, what you will write here?
A.
A. So, write here A. Yes.
I.
Yes, yes. A. Yes. Then D. I. O. Very good. Now find out where is written 6. In which object is written 6? Yes, here. In which object written 6? Yes. What is this?
Train.
Train. So what the spelling of train?
T-R-A-I-N.
Okay. So right here this train spelling. T is written. Now what you will write here?
R.
Yes. So write R. Then what the next? Look what the spelling of train.
A.
Yes, so write. Then
I.
very good.
कितने बार I लिखूं?
जितनी बार आएगा. Then
N.
very good.
कितने बार N लिखूं?
Now find out where is written 7. Yes, and what is this?
7.
And what is this?
8.
And where is 7 in the blocks? Yes, so where you will write ant spelling? Yes, right here. A is written itself. So now what you will write here?
N.
Very good. And then what you will write here? A-N-T.
T.
So right here T. Yes. Here.
Sorry.
Yes. Now find out in which object writ. Where is written 8? See?
Tomato.
Tomato. So where you will write tomato spelling? Yes. So right here. T is written itself. So now what you will write? Next spelling is O. Okay. So right here O.
I.
Yes. Right.
T.
Okay. O.
O.
M.
N.
A.
A.
Then look here. What the next spelling?
T.
Very good. And then
O. Tomato.
okay. And now it's done. Again.
N.